What's up, guys? We are here with brand new product from the Z Garage, and it is something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time, and I just had the opportunity to finally sit down and model it all up correctly so that it works perfect. So these are the center gauges here, and you can tell these are not the stock center gauges. I believe on NA cars it is oil pressure and voltage, or switched, and then turbo cars and digital dash are a little bit different. I believe the turbos might be the same, but the digital dash is definitely different. But when you go ahead and upgrade and you don't want those anymore because they don't work correctly, you want to put in some other ones. So these here are for 52 millimeter gauge pods, and it's just a little piece that fits in like this, and it just slips into these original cups, and it is a press fit. It holds it really securely. There's no need for taking any of the pieces out on the back. You can just press it right in through the front, and it just is a very nice secure hold, and you can see it angles it correctly towards the driver. This is where the driver is, and looking over there, they're pointed directly at me. Looks really good. And then if you can see over here, if you're sitting from the passenger side, they aren't really blinding you like if you had them just straight mounted right here or up here. Which, if you want to do that, is totally fine. I think this is much cleaner, much sleeker looking, much more OEM, and it is very nice. So let me go ahead and just go over the installation real quick. You can see it is kind of at an angle here. So what you're going to do is take the thicker side and put it down towards the bottom kind of corner right here, because that is actually where this is the thickest. You can see there's a thick lip. I'll see if I can get this for you guys. And then it gets much thinner up there. So if you put the thick lip down over this way, it gives a really nice constant bezel around the entire thing here, and it just looks absolutely perfect. You just take it, you press it through the front, and it is absolutely great. These are super secure, really awesome. So if you guys want these, you can pick them up on the zgarage.net. Under the store tab, you can get a pair of 2, so you don't have to order 2 sets. Please don't order 4 unless you actually need 4. But you can pick them up right now, and they come in 3 different colors. These ones are black, obviously. I've been printing a batch of these, and then I've also got the tan that I print these mirror mounts out of up here. And then I also have maroon. You guys can check out the listing on the zgarage.net if you want to see what the maroon color looks like. But these are super cool. I really hope you guys like them as much as I do. This has been something I've been wanting to do for a very long time, so I'm really glad I was able to do it. And as always, if you guys have any questions about these, comments about them, or if you have any suggestions for what I should make next, definitely drop a comment down below, and I will definitely take it into big consideration, because I do have a bit of time on my hands right now, so I can get some of these projects done. So I hope you guys think these are just as cool as I am, and I will see you guys later.